it? Oh,
Keep it open.
Carter's nearly got it.
Look.
Look. Oh, what is it? I'm going to take the paper off him. He's kind of eating it. Hey, let go. Good boy, Tar. Here. Look. There's your present.
Clothes.
There you go. Oh, what's that? Sarah, you going to open yours? Here. Sarah. Carter loves it. Go on, Sarah. Look, rip into it. Here. You gonna rip into it? There you go. What's that, Zara? Love it. Zara, open your Christmas Eve present.
Kind of thinks it tastes delicious.
Yeah, look. What's that? Grab it. Good girl. What is it? What is it? What did you get? Hold it up. You want to show everybody? It's pajamas. Oh, Carter, how do you like your pajamas? Huh? Hey, Carter. Is that good? They're from Grandma. Yeah. Look at Carter. Oh, Zara's eating them now. Carter's the one eating it almost. So we'll have dinner and go to bed? So Santa can come? Hey, Carter. Hey. Oh, you too. I can't believe Carter's still eating his. Gross. Don't wreck it. You gotta wear it tonight, buddy. Alright, we might take it off you. Thank you. Oh. Say thank you. Huh? Hey, are you okay? Say Merry Christmas. Hey, Zara. Good girl.